Hello children, how are you? So children, today in our resource room class, we are going to take a look at helpers. If you remember, I told you a story the last time of a tailor and an elephant, Mastram or Hathi. Yes? So children, just like Mastram, we have others in our society who help us. And these people who help us are called community helpers. These people help us in, they help us in doing different kinds of work which we cannot do ourselves. For example, can we cut our own hair? No, we can't, because we don't know how to do that. And can we repair our TV if something goes wrong with our TV, or if something goes wrong with your washing machine? Can you fix it yourself? Can your mother fix it herself? No, we can't. So we need these people to help us, right? So let's take a look at some of these helpers. It's a long list, but we are going to cover up a few helpers in today's class. So let's get started and let's learn about them. Now children, the first community helper that we are looking at is a doctor. Starts with the letter D. It says doctor. Now children, doctor is a very important community helper because he's the one who treats us when we are sick, right? So again, he's a very important helper of the community who helps us when we are sick. Now children, the next one that you see is a baker, starting with the letter B. Baker. Now children, a baker is a person who bakes things like cakes, cookies, patties and whatnot. So he's a person who works in a hotel or a restaurant and does baking. Now children, some of these helpers wear a special hat. Do take a look as you see them on the screen. So take a look at the baker's hat, children. Keep a note of it. Now the next helper coming up is a farmer, starting with the letter F. Now children, farmer is a very important helper who grows fruits and vegetables for us. So farmers, they work for us under the sun on the field the whole day, and they make sure that you and me do not go hungry. So they grow fruits and vegetables for us. A farmer works on a field or on a farm. Take a look. Now the next helper is a firefighter, starting with the letter F. Now children, a firefighter is a very, very brave community helper who saves lives. Whenever a fire breaks out, we call firefighters to help us. These firefighters, they travel in a special vehicle, children, which we have already seen when we saw the transport concept. Yes, it's a fire engine. So these firefighters, as I said before, are brave men who save people trapped in fire. Now the next one, I'm sure you can simply tell me when you look at the picture. Yes, that's a teacher, starting with the letter T. Now a teacher is again a very important community helper, children, because she is the one who teaches you, who tells you new things, who teaches you about the world and its ways, isn't it? So, a teacher plays a very important role in the society, educating children for a better future. And now the last helper of today's class is again a very brave community helper starting with the letter P. Yes, you guessed it. It is a police officer. A police officer, children, keeps us safe and maintains law and order in our city or in our country. And now, children, we come to an end of our today's session. All these helpers, children, whoever we have seen today, each one of them is very important. And there are many more. As I said before, the list is long. So, let's respect each and every helper of the community. And with this, I'm going to leave you with a beautiful song. I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.
Whose hat
and you
is
have
this?
a lovely day.
The wind blew. Oh, my hat, the police officer's hat flew away. The police officer's hat flew away.
Whose hat is this?
Oh, my hat, the nurse's hat flew away. The nurse's hat flew away.
Whose hat is this?
Oh, my hat, the firefighter's hat flew away. The firefighter's hat flew away.
Whose hat is this?
Oh, my hat, the baker's hat flew away. The baker's